Nikon Z9H and Z82. Game-changing innovation in the camera world. The world of professional photography is no stranger to fierce competition, and it seems Nikon is ready to raise the bar once again. Whispers from industry insiders hint at two major developments that could disrupt the market: the high-speed Nikon Z9H and the next-generation hybrid flagship, the Nikon Z8 II. Both cameras aim to challenge Sony and Canon's dominance, and if the rumors are true, they might just succeed. Let's start with the Z9H, Nikon's rumored answer to high-performance sports and wildlife photography needs. While based on the claimed Z9, this variant is expected to push speed and responsiveness to new heights. The key highlight: a 20.4-megapixel sensor, designed not for resolution, but for sheer speed. This sensor is said to offer an incredible readout time of just 0.4 milliseconds. What does that mean for photographers? Virtually no rolling shutter effect and extremely accurate capture of fast-moving subjects, perfect for professionals who work in high-action environments. But the real jaw-dropper might be the sensor's rumored flash sync capability. With sync speeds reaching up to 1/200,000th of a second, photographers could gain unparalleled control over lighting, even in rapid-fire scenarios. Imagine freezing an athlete mid-sprint or capturing a bird in mid-flight with perfect clarity and flash balance. Under the hood, the Z9H reportedly runs on a dual-processor system, most likely two of Nikon's XE7 chips. This setup should ensure the camera remains cool and responsive during high-speed operations, something essential for long shoots or rapid bursts. As for timing, insiders suggest a launch in early 2026, conveniently aligned with major sports events and peak wildlife photography season. Whether or not this timeline holds, the buzz already surrounding this camera highlights the growing demand for ultra-fast, precision tools in the photography space. Now let's shift to another highly anticipated model, the Nikon Z8 II. Built as a successor to the well-received Z8, the Z82 promises to take everything good about its predecessor and improve it. The Z8 impressed with its compact build, stacked for 5MP sensor, powerful autofocus, and stunning 8K video. Still, some photographers reported issues with overheating during long video sessions, heavy file sizes, and less than stellar battery life. The Z82 looks to address these challenges head-on. It's expected to feature the same high-end DNA as the Z9, but paired with next-generation processing power, improved thermal performance, and more advanced AI features. Nikon's XP87 processor, which already appeared in the Z9, is likely to play a central role. Expect faster shooting speeds, smoother video processing, and smarter real-time enhancements for both photo and video. For shooters who need speed and flexibility, the Z82 could deliver 20 FPS bursts with full autofocus and exposure, improved subject tracking, and even better low-light performance. Videographers might be treated to 8000 video at 60 FPS, 4K at 4 FPS, and new codecs like internal 12-bit NRAW and ProRes HQ. There are also murmurs of internal ND filters, potentially a first for Nikon mirrorless. Build-wise, Nikon may go lighter and stronger by incorporating carbon fiber, while also refining ergonomics with better button placement and joystick design. These small touches could make a big difference in fast-paced shooting environments. And then there's the price. Nikon has a track record of undercutting its rivals, and the Z82 is expected to follow that strategy. With an estimated price around $4,500, it would sit well below competitors like Sony's $6,500 A1 II, while still offering flagship performance. Though the Z82 might not hit shelves until after the Z9H in 2026, it's shaping up to be a true generational leap, offering cutting-edge technology at a competitive price. Until then, the Z8 remains a strong contender, with its robust 5MP sensor, pro-level build, and regular firmware updates that keep adding new features. For those needing the best right now, it's still a worthwhile investment. But for those willing to wait, the Z9H and Z82 might just redefine what photographers and filmmakers can expect from a camera. Whether you're a sports shooter, wildlife expert, or hybrid content creator, Nikon's upcoming lineup could be the most exciting in years. With competition heating up, the real winners are the photographers, because when brands innovate, everyone benefits.